Tired of generic store-bought products and craving a personalized touch in your skincare routine? Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to teach you how to create your very own aromatherapy salt scrub for use in a cozy bath or a steamy shower. The choice is yours. I'm Karen from Aromahead, and today we're making a salt scrub. Before we dive into the vanilla and lime recipes, I want to let you know that I've got 4 more salt scrub recipes just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a salt scrub recipe PDF to explore different variations of this blend. Okay, let's get started. First, you'll need a 16-ounce jar. I'm using a PET plastic wide mouth jar. Now, my plastic isn't my first top choice. It's safer for use in the shower or a bathtub than the glass. For demonstration purposes, I'm using a glass mixing bowl. I am blending 224 grams or 8 ounces of our Himalayan salt, and first I'll weigh it out. Put it on the weight scale, turn it on, make sure you tare it. Then we'll do 226 grams. Almost there. A little extra. There we go. And a secret to this is it doesn't have to be exact. You can add more salt or more carrier to get the consistency that works for you. Next, we'll add 2 ounces by weight of our coconut oil. So we'll tare this, and we'll go to ounces this time. Our delicious smelling coconut oil. This is an unrefined coconut oil. 2 ounces. I keep an extra spoon so I can easily take it off of my measuring spoon. Okay, almost. And a little bit more. There we go. 2 ounces on the dot. Smells so good. Next, we're going to add our vanilla-infused oil. Let's put this in the salt first. And I'll move this off to the side. And I'll use this beaker to measure out my vanilla-infused jojoba oil. So about 2 ounces, which is almost 60 mils. Get the top off. And again, you can estimate if you want more, simply add in more. There we go. This back here. We'll pour this into our blend. And now comes the fun part. We'll be adding our distilled lime essential oil. I like to use distilled lime because it doesn't have any phototoxic properties. You're going to love the smoothness of this jojoba vanilla infusion with the coconut oil. Now 30 drops of our distilled lime. Out kind of fast because it's a very thin oil. Now we just give this luxurious blend a good stir like that. This blend is just absolutely delightful, and I can't wait to indulge in this scrub or soak during my bath tonight. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients together until they're evenly dispersed. And there you have it, your very own homemade bath salt scrub or bath soak. You can use either one. Crafting your own body care products is one of my favorite ways to know exactly what I'm using on my body, and it allows me to make small tweaks to achieve that perfect texture and aroma. Now it's your turn. Download the PDF and start blending. Share your favorite blend in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.